we will create one additional group. I will create like customer A, and I will create additional group customer B. Okay. Now I will move DSM server and all Windows server. I will move to customer A. And one Linux machine I will move to customer B. Okay. Now go to administration, and there is an option called scheduled task. In the scheduled task, click new, and there will be option called enable the scheduled task. Whether you want to enable the task hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or only once. Okay. So here we have given weekly option, and there will be a many scheduled tasks. Check for security update, software update, discover computers, and here you can able to see scan computers for malware. That is a scheduled malware scan, and scan computers for recommendation. This is for enabling the recommendation scan via scheduled task. So every week it will be triggered. Okay, so as I said, you can configure it on Wednesday after BAU or Friday after BAU. So start time we will give 23. So every 1 week the stock will happen. And time zone, you can keep the time zone. If it is India, you can keep always Trend Micro Deep Security will be having the UTC time. Okay, so depends upon the report, you can change it. Okay. At 11 PM India time, the scheduled recommendation scan will be triggered. Okay, here you will be having the group. Whether you want to initiate the recommendation for all computers instead of group, here you have the option called create group. So I wish to schedule the recommendation only for customer A on Friday, and another one customer I will schedule in different group, including subgroup, that also possible. Instead of using the group, you can select policy as well. So when you take Windows server, that is a Windows server policy. If it is a Linux server, that is a Linux server policy. Since we group, all the servers which is available inside the group will be initiate the recommendation scan. Next. Okay, and here you can give the name. So weekly scan computers for recommendation. Here you can give customer A. Otherwise you will get confusion whether it is for customer A or customer B. Okay, now you will give finish. So the scheduled task is enabled. So weekly scan computers for recommendation scan on tomorrow at 23 PM IST. Okay, we will schedule for another customer now. Weekly scan computers for recommendation. We will select 6 o'clock Saturday. Every 1 week it will be triggered. Same India time you can give. This is for customer B. So scheduled tasks have enabled for both customer A and customer B for recommendation scan. Okay, so as per the schedule, the recommendation scan will be triggered. Okay, and it will show the next runtime. And in case if it is got failed, you will get the error. Okay, you will get the system event that schedule recommendation have not run due to this issue, that issue. Fine team, you are able to understand now, right? If we have multiple customers, put it in a separate group, initiate scan, or if all the servers having the same policy, you can initiate the recommendation scheduled scan via this particular policy. So as per the setting in your environment, you can go.